Kane kalong ka khubor ka babha na ka benta ki paj ba nong shong shnong ka ribhoi district kham tam ye kitu ki badon ye ka jing shitom ka bia dei bat ka jing tha khli kha rendang kha singkai kiring lane epilepsy stroke brain tumor spine tumor head trauma spine trauma bat kumju ye ki nong pang ki badon ye ka jing pang shitom klong snam kende shadam set shadam bat jing shitom blood pressure ya kitei ki jat jing shitom phila ban yo jing sumar batikna ha Bethany hospital outreach Nongpoh kat kum kapor balapan benada ka hospital
Blay pi balo kinongpe mangai dei Dr. Lamko dor tengkan atre ko mi consultant neurosurgeon apo Bethany hospital Shillong mentana du January 2000 alawan apo Bethany hospital outreach Nongpoh manlagas ni balang lane Wednesday adu ko por chitho beje mister adu ko por shibeje misni kendiat kintoy ngan batai pi spang branch neurosurgery neurosurgery kadai kawai ke branch jong medical science ke badai pet ke jingpang ke badai batong kli ke jabiang pat bodo te kumkino de ki nongpang dan ki patient ki badai ban consult yo neurosurgeon ki long ki breu ke badan ye ka jingpang jing thakli jing tha rendang tha sangkai ke breu ke badan ke jingpang jing hearing ke breu ke badan brain tumor spinal tumors ki breu ke ba yo ke jingpang stroke ki breu ke ba dan ke jingmong ke jabing le ne bodong hatien ke jing accident le ke jing ha lordian na lorien te kumkine ki patient kila pan kendu inga apo Bethany hospital outreach Nongpoh manla kasni balam nadu ko por chikau beje mistep nadu ko por chibeje mensi kuble shibon.
Good morning, I'm Dr. Chandrakumar Das. I'm a consultant cardiologist working in Guwahati Metro Hospital situated at Khanapara. So I come to Bethany outreach in Nongpoh every Thursday morning hours. So today's video is regarding to create awareness among the people in Nongpoh. Actually, it's very frequent. If you see that heart disease is very frequent among the people, and most of the time people don't know what is actually happening and how to know that this is actually a heart problem. So there are some complaints that indicates that it's a heart problem, like chest pain, breathing difficulty, easy fatigability, feeling of palpitation, swelling of legs, like that. So if there is chest pain, especially while walking, doing some walks, then it can be because of heart problem. So I will share one experience. The patient from this area went to my hospital, Guwahati Metro Hospital, having chest pain. So we did angiography to him. We found block in 3 of his heart vessels, and we opened it up by standing. And now he is living a good life with continuous medication and regular follow-up. Thank you.
Ai kuble pi perlok borok ngadai bala terus kadoi benam kon bangadon gejin pangklong senam dengan apa sumar ya Dr. Chandra sapo Metro Hospital dan bangani sumar di minta ngalayo jingkoi ke Bapura dan tempat ya pi perlok borok ki badon gejin sitom klong senam le dan minta Dr. Chandra di Saiwan man ketayo man kesi pale po Bethany hospital pelak dia kendu i bat ilak pun koi ia gajin pakung sedang jepi tang kideng ai kuble di perlok ki bat pai ia kan video kuble si